Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. So you have to open the TikTok app on the Android device or you have iOS. So you have to open the TikTok app. So it will be loading. You have to go to your profile icon on the right. So you have to, on the top right, three horizontal lines of settings, you have to click to settings and privacy. So you have to click again privacy and scroll down. In the end you will see the blocked accounts. So you have to click to blocked accounts. You will have to open it to see. So these are my blocked accounts. So if I want to unblock, so I will just click to unblock, so this account will be unblocked easily. So here you can find your blocked accounts in the settings and privacy. So it's very easy. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.